Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok version. And here's how it is done. To check the version of TikTok installed on your device or iPhone, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list of apps and find TikTok. Tap on TikTok, and the app version will be shown under the app name. Alternatively, you can check the TikTok version directly from the app. All you need to do is open the TikTok app, then go to your profile, tap the three lines in the corner, and head to the Settings and Privacy section. From there, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the version of TikTok you have. You can also try signing up for beta updates, as there might be new features that your TikTok version doesn't yet have. Just tap on the settings and browse for an option to join the TikTok beta program. If it is not available, it could be because you haven't updated your app to the latest version or the update hasn't reached your account yet. Simply check the TikTok tester option for an upgrade to the beta service. And that is everything you need to know about how to check the TikTok version. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.